Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much. Today I just wanted to take you shopping, thrifting with me for home decor. So I'm not looking for anything in particular, but I'm always attracted to pottery like this. I don't really like the handle here, but the shape of it is nice. I guess you could take the handle off. I love those flat serving trays. Those are cute too. I always make sure to look down the dish aisle for anything interesting. You find a lot of pottery here. I see a lot of cups probably donated from like a restaurant that went out of business during this pandemic. These are like little coffee cups. This is a very interesting kind of vintage vessel. Not my style, but it's very pretty if you're into that. Oh, I really love this one. It's pure one, no wonder. Very cute. I would normally get something like that. It's a little tea kettle, but I'm trying to stay away from so many little objects because they just clutter up your house and your kitchen, and I'm really bad about that. These were really, really cool, and I actually didn't pick them up and wish I had. They were $11 a piece. There were two of them, vintage candle holders that you would put on the wall. Are those not gorgeous? I should have gotten them. I don't know. I just couldn't figure out where I would put them, and I still don't know where I would put them, but I think that they're just awesome. These are also very ornate candle holders. Guys, if you guys are looking for candle holders, always check out your thrift stores. So many people give away candle holders. That's something that is always plentiful in thrift stores. Always check out your thrift stores to see if they have candle holders that you like. Because here's some more. They always have them. People always give them away. I love art, so this is definitely a section that I will check out to see if they have any paintings. And this mirror I thought was really nice shaped mirror. I wish it was gold. And as I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, well, maybe, I can paint it gold, but I really want it to be metal. But I liked it. I liked it a lot. This particular thrift store, they have paintings on the wall, so I always have to look up to see what they have. More candle holders. This one is actually kind of chic. Or is it a vessel? No, this was actually a vessel. A vase. I love all of the glassware that this particular store has, and the way that they have it separated makes it very easy to come in and find what you're looking for. Lots of glass vessels. I think a lot of people get them for free, like when they get, flowers given as a gift, you get a vase with it and then you have no need for them. So you always see those type of vessels. These were really interesting. I guess they're kind of like parfait cups. They're very pretty, that milk white glass, or milk glass, they call it. It's a very interesting pie dish. More art. I love these frames, and I would have bought them just for the frames, but the price was still high on this art. It's like $35. You always got to check out the wood section. It's where you'll find like the cutting boards that people are using as decor items. Sometimes you'll find them here. If you're into like wooden statues, animal statues, I don't know what the hell that is. Somebody's experiment. It's an interesting giraffe. This is an expandable bowl. I thought that was cute. This is so pretty. Look at this candle holder. Look at how ornate. It looks like something that belongs in like a Catholic church. Those are cute. Those these gold goblets, I should say. Cute. This is an interesting shadow box frame. It's really big. I don't really like the design of it, nor do I have a need for a shadow box that big, and I love this because I'm a huge citrus drinker. I'm always zesting citrus to put in my water. So this was really, really cute. It looks kind of Spanish to me. Biscuit, made in China. You know, it's cute. I really like the texture on that glass. Not glass, but mug. I'm never really into mugs. I always pass down this aisle, but I don't pay too much attention to it. I do like bowls. That's a really nice set, but I feel like at that price, $3 a bowl, you could go to Ross and get a brand new set, or TJ Maxx, one of those stores, for like the same price. Even Home Goods. I love the texture on this. That vase, the texture is nice with the color. I wasn't really feeling the color, and I'm not too into bringing something home in order to put more work into it. So the likelihood that I would paint it is probably not likely. That's an interesting copper picture. This is a Target vase threshold with the flowers in it. It's kind of cute. I actually probably should have picked that up because I probably could have found a place for it. This is a very interesting vase. I like the shape of it. Again, the color doesn't appeal to me, but the shape of it is nice. It's very colorful artwork, but I appreciate art. I always look at the art. If you had, this was more your style, more of a romantic or playful style, that would have been a perfect pick. This is kind of a cement with a rattan lattice on it type vessel. It's kind of ugly, but interesting at the same time. I don't know what this is. It's hideous, but interesting. I guess it's Victorian. I love anything with monkeys. That's really cute. I guess it's like a cookie jar. It's interesting. It's very ornate, very detailed. All of these little figurines. This is something I usually never pick up. I don't know what this is, but it's a very interesting bowl. I don't know what you would put in that. Oh, the family tree. How cute. Well, I appreciate you joining me, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and let me know what you liked below in the comments. Thank you, and have a great day.